Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store in the UAE. First, you'll need to register your business name with the Department of Economic Development. Then, choose a Shopify plan that fits your budget and business needs. After that, set up your store's basic information, like the local currency and correct time zone. This foundational work ensures your store is ready for the next steps. Next, focus on populating your store with products. Upload high-quality images and write detailed descriptions for each item. Then, customize your store's theme to reflect your brand's unique style and appeal to your target audience. Organizing your products into clear collections will also help customers easily find what they are looking for, enhancing their shopping journey. Now, let's talk about payments and shipping, which are crucial for any e-commerce business. You'll need to integrate secure payment gateways, offering both local options like pay tabs and international choices. Carefully set up your shipping zones and define accurate rates for deliveries across the UAE. Always ensure your store adheres to all relevant UAE e-commerce regulations for smooth operations. Finally, it's time to launch and grow your store. Before going live, conduct thorough test orders and review all your settings to ensure everything works perfectly. Once launched, actively promote your Shopify store using social media and targeted advertising campaigns. Continuously analyze your sales data to refine your marketing strategies and optimize your product offerings for sustained success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.